Pranayama is control of breath. Prana means life or life force. Yama means control that life force. So pranayama is control of breath. प्राण को आयाम करना मतलब प्राण को विस्तार करना प्राणायाम का मतलब होता है. That is the reason I told you, you are going far from your life. Your life is not going far from you. So try to control your life. Try to control your pran. Try to control your breath. That you can be done by doing pranayama.
All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Wellness Yoga. One question must be there in your mind. What is the right sequence of pranayama? So in this video, I am gonna clear your doubt. Which pranayama you should do first and which one should be done at last.
Vastrika, Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom, Suryabhedi Pranayam, Chandravedi Pranayam and Udgit Pranayam. These 6 pranayama when to perform, I am gonna tell you in this video. Sequence of the pranayama completely depends on the purpose you want. If you want to cool down your body by doing pranayama, then you should start with deep breathing like Anulom Vilom, Udgit, Bhamri, etc. If you want to clean your body first in the morning, then you should perform Vastrika, Kapalbhati. According to Hatha Yoga Pradipika, one yogi must perform Sat Kriya first thing in the morning. There are 6 Kriya: Neti, Dhoti, Basti, Nali, Kapalbhati and Tratak. You must have to perform at least 1 or 2 Kriya first thing in the morning to clean your body. Then come to do pranayama. According to various yogic texts, I have gone through and I have researched on it. I have found that everyone is asking to do Kapalbhati first thing in the morning. So if you want to follow my practice session, if you want to follow my sequence, then I would like to suggest you to do Bhastrika first, because Bhastrika generates heat in our body. When there is heat, then your cleaning process will be smooth. Second, I must prefer Kapalbhati. Let's start with the pranayama. मेहनत आपको इतना खामोशी से करना होगा कि उस मेहनत का फल जब मिले तो चारों तरफ शोर मच जाए. So let's start about the 6 pranayama sequence. So first, Bhastrika. How to do Bhastrika? Inhale and exhale forcefully. Inhale and exhale deeply. There should be a force when you are exhaling, like I have one playlist called Pranayama. All the details of these 6 pranayama, detailed explanation I have given in the description. Go through the link and watch all 6 pranayama in full explanation. Gently rub your hand with your knees. There is a science behind it. Do Bhastrika with your hand. Inhale while up, exhale while down. After Bhastrika, number 2 is Kapalbhati. one stroke in 1 second. Then you can do rapidly. Performing Kapalbhati 10 to 15 minutes each and every day will keep you aside from any kind of disease. So next, Surya Bhedi Pranayam. Inhale from right nostril, exhale from left nostril. Our right nostril denotes the power of sun in Vishnu Mudra. Benefits and how to do properly, I have a video on it. I am giving the link in description with playlist called Pranayama. Please go through this link and watch the full video. Now number 4 is Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. As I told you that our right nostril denotes the power of sun, so our left nostril denotes the power of moon. So inhale from left nostril, exhale from right nostril, just opposite to Surya Bhedi Pranayam. After Chandra Bhedi Pranayam, after Surya Bhedi Pranayam, you need to perform Anulam Vilom, because Surya Bhedi Pranayam activates our Surya Nadi and Chandra Bhedi Pranayam activates our Chandra Nadi. So in between there is a Sushumna Nadi. To make a balance with Chandra and Surya Nadi, you need to perform Anulam Vilom, because in Chandra Bhedi, in Surya Bhedi Pranayam, you were inhaling from right nostril, exhaling from left nostril, and in Chandra Bhedi Pranayam, you were inhaling from left nostril and exhaling from right nostril. In Anulam Vilom, alternate nostril breathing, you need to inhale from left nostril, exhale from right nostril. Again, inhale from right nostril and exhale from left nostril. Inhaling from left nostril, exhaling from right nostril. Again, inhaling from right nostril, exhaling from left nostril is one round. After Anulam Vilom, you need to perform Udgrit. I generally do. Sit in comfortable position with spine erect. Inhale through nose and exhale with Om's chanting. I generally do with Om Namah Shivaya chanting. Namah Shivaya.
So that was all about the sequence of pranayama, how you should do. Apart from these 6 pranayama, there are another 6 to 7 pranayama also there. I do generally practice that, but for you to start with pranayama, do these 6 pranayama in this sequence, you will get the 100% benefit.
So that was all about the sequence of pranayama. If you want to follow me, then the sequence I have told you, try practice that. Before practice that, do one kriya. That is Kapalbhati is also one kriya, 1 or 2 kriya, and then do pranayama, and they cool down by doing inhale and exhale only. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy, signing off for the day. Take care, bye-bye. Lord Shiva bless you all. See you in next video. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते. Award from you, for you. The place, I love this place. I always do practice in this place. So this one for you.